Ever wondered how to make a lasting impression, just like Ashley Roberts does with her impeccable style and radiant presence? From her chic cream dress in London to her born of surfing stunts and a blue bikini, she never fails to turn heads. On a sunny Friday, Ashley Roberts, aged 42, and a former member of the Pussycat Dolls, was spotted in London after her shift at Heart FM radio station. She looked stunning in a cream gown with balloon sleeves and a plunging neckline. With her golden locks swept aside and understated makeup, she added tiny sunglasses and subtle gold hoop earrings to complete her look. To top it all, she carried a small white handbag and wore matching shoes, enhancing her overall appearance. Ashley Roberts recently shared a hilarious clip on Instagram where she showcased her well-toned abs in a tiny blue bikini. She then attempted to ride a surf simulator, only shattered to be knocked over by a powerful jet of water, causing her to lose balance and fall backwards. She captioned the video, "The moment I overconfidently tried the surfer simulator, inevitably ending up in a split." Despite her recent fashion misstep at the UK gala screening of Alien Romulus, where she wore a gray dress that resulted in sweat patches under her arms, Ashley handled the situation with grace and confidence. She continues to serve as Heart Breakfast entertainment news correspondent and hosts a program on the channel Heart Towns. Additionally, she has been hosting the reality TV show on Netflix called Dance Titans since 2022. So if you want to make a lasting impression like Ashley Roberts, remember to always carry yourself with confidence and grace, even when things don't go as planned. And of course, don't forget to wear your sunscreen and stay hydrated. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.